I'll be doing my opening to White Bird and the Buzzer. Now, White Bird and the Buzzer show Shauna Woodry boobs and everything. Interesting and haunting, says Green International. Got this from my buddy Josh Cook. It's a good DVD. But before I can get this opening, I'll give a shout out to Joshua Cook. Your videos are awesome, buddy. Give it a go. Hope you enjoy my opening to White Bird and the Buzzer. Oh. Oh. Mm. Mm. Mm.
Firestone took it. I think he knows what's going on
Mm.
and just won't tell me.
Mm. Mm.
So, what does Mark McCormick do when he's not cutting a judge's lawn?
He trims the judge's hedges and washes the judge's car. That's what he does.
Come on. There's got to be more to it than that. I mean, that little trip with the loafer, that wasn't exactly minor league play.
Well, actually, we have a wide range of activities, including chasing down criminals who have violated Judge Hardcastle's rather poor sense of humor.
Let's skip this.
You went to prison?
Bum rap. You know, justice is blind, the whole thing. That's the same old story. But the young man just wanted to go to seminary school. He was in the wrong place at the wrong time. He ended up taking showers with his underwear.
Welcome to the evolution of social connection.
You're a car thief, weren't you?
And what are you, Misty?
I saw you get into that locked car. He knew what you were doing. He said it was a specialty.
Even without your glasses, you don't know so much, do you, Captain?
Shall we go? You think I'll be coming back?
Excuse me.
Got a call from one of your undercover squads. They told us to deliver this box to you down here. The guy said there's a note inside.